Hi there! Welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to prepare and serve the perfect baked homemade meatloaf, topped with barbecue sauce and served with mashed potatoes and gravy. Don't forget at the end of this video to hit the like button and subscribe so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Gather all the ingredients and start this recipe by finely chop the onion, garlic, parsley, and set aside. With a paring knife, cut and remove the casing from the sausage links. With the help of a fork, break the sausage into small pieces and add it to the ground beef. To avoid eggshells in your food, crack the eggs into a separate small bowl before adding to the mix. For the most tender and moist meatloaf, use white bread soaked in milk. Cut the edges and dice 2 slices of a Pullman loaf and let soak in a mixing bowl for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, use a fork or a whisk to mash the soaked bread. Bring a small pan over medium-low heat. Sauté the onions and garlic in oil or butter until tender before adding them to the mixture, about 3 minutes. Once done, set aside and let cool to the touch. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. If you are out of parchment paper, use aluminum foil well coated with oil or shortening. In no particular order, add to the ground meats, the cooked onions, garlic, or raw garlic, eggs, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, thyme, Dijon mustard optional, chopped parsley, and the bread and milk mixture. Mix gently until just combined. If your meatloaf mix is a bit too soft or sticky, add a tablespoon or 2 of breadcrumbs. On the other hand, if your meatloaf mix is a bit dense or hard, fix it by adding a tablespoon or 2 of milk. Shape the mixture into a loaf on the prepared rimmed baking sheet, or pressed into a greased loaf pan. To avoid the meatloaf mixture from sticking to your hands, lightly coat your palms and fingers with a small amount of water or oil. Optional, to add more flavor to your meatloaf, top it with a few slices of bacon. Bake uncovered for 55 to 60 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit 71 degrees Celsius. While the meatloaf is cooking, whisk together the glaze ingredients. Combine the ketchup, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, brown sugar, white vinegar, and optional, Worcestershire sauce. After about 45 minutes of baking, take the meatloaf out of the oven and remove the bacon. Spread the reserved glaze mixture over the meatloaf and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until cooked through, and the meatloaf reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit 71 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove the meatloaf from oven, cover with foil and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.